Hey, what's up, Watch fam? I'm here today to do a quick unboxing and first impressions on my latest Omega watch that I picked up. But before we start, wrist check. I'm wearing my Seiko Alpinist Mountain Glacier with the Uncle Seiko strap. But anyways, back to the main attraction, which is the Omega Speedmaster. So the Omega Speedmaster does come in this very large box. This is the 3861 Hesalite version, and unlike the previous version of the Speedmaster, the box is a lot smaller. There's a lot less goodies in this box as compared to the outgoing model. So in the box you'll find your typical Omega manual, operating instructions and all that in like 24 different languages. You'll also get your warranty cards, your pictograms, and your METOS certification. This one comes in a little Ziploc bag. So on the bottom of this box you'll find this pull tab with a little hidden compartment which reveals sort of a small booklet that kind of details the Moonwatch. It has a bunch of photos, the legacy, the history, a lot of nice pictures. A lot of these pictures are actually part of the public domain. To be honest, the print quality isn't too great. It's not really photo paper. It feels just like normal paper. But again, something nice to have. So I'll put it back inside. And taking the watch out. So that's pretty much it for this big box. So we can put that to the side. So this box is sort of like a Velcro-y feeling box. It's not too big. And you have these two Velcro straps in the front with the buckle. So that's kind of nice. So taking that off, this one reveals the Omega Speedmaster. So as you can see, there's not too much goodies this time. So lifting this cover up, one cool trick about this box is that you have 3 different sections. You have one section to put your extra links and stuff. Right here you have a little cleaning cloth. Nothing else. I don't even think this cleaning cloth is Omega branded or not. I don't think it is. I think it's just a normal cleaning cloth. But the one cool thing about this box is that you can take off this middle part right here, and it serves as its own little travel case. So you have this little Velcro strap, and you can just buckle it like that. And then you have your own little travel case. So usually I would keep this on my desk and then store this big box away. But anyways, so getting back to the actual watch, as you can see, I did get the Hesalite version. Let's see an up close. So I did get the Hesalite version, as I do like how the acrylic plays with the light. I did take a look at the Sapphire version, and the Sapphire version has sort of like a milky ring around it, and you don't get that on the Hesalite version. The Hesalite version also has a printed logo as opposed to your applied logo. And the bracelet is all brushed as compared to the sapphire, which is sort of has polished middle links. So, and what's new about this edition of the Speedmaster is the 3861, aside from the new movement, it has a new bracelet. I wasn't particularly fond of the 1861 Speedmaster bracelet, where I felt it was a little bit too chunky. So this one has a nice taper from 20 millimeters to 16, and you do see that there's sort of like a pinstripe kind of vintage inspired bracelet, push button deployment. You got your milled, very nice. Got a little hang tag. I'm going to take this off. Let's see if I can get this red strap off. Okay. Have your little hang tag. Okay. So now, with the red strap off, we can kind of take a look at how the Speedmaster looks. As you can see, we do get that very nice taper on the Speedmaster bracelet. The back does have, it's a closed case back, as this is the Hesalite model. And let me remove the stickers off the back. So let's focus. Okay. Then as you can see, the back does say flight qualified by NASA. So the new versions have a little different change in that it says flight qualified by NASA in 1965. So in 1965 is sort of the new text on the 3861 Speedies. Okay, so let's actually get this winded. Crown's already pushed. Push the crown back in. Let's reset this. Okay. Very satisfying. Very satisfying wind sound. Let me put this to the mic so you guys can hear how the wind clicks. It has a very, very solid feel. As you can see, your second sub dial is working. Let's try the chronograph. Push the top to activate, and there she goes. Very nice. Now let me see. So what's nice about this new version is that you have your dot over 90 and dot next to 70. So that should appease all the vintage Speedy fans. And I do gotta say, this bracelet does feel really nice. Take off this hang tag as well. Put this to the side. So I have not actually resized this bracelet yet. So this has all the links. And yeah, let's put it on the wrist and see how it looks. So I'm gonna put this right here. Let's take off our alpinist. And then let's see how this looks on the wrist. Again, this is not sized to my wrist, so definitely gonna have to take out a couple links. But yeah, that's how it kind of looks on my wrist. My wrist isn't too big for reference. This is a 6.5 inch wrist, but I think it looks pretty good. So if your wrist is 6.5 inches or even bigger, the Speedy will definitely fit your wrist. I think what really helps is you can see that the bracelet sort of tapers down now, which really helps with fitment on a multitude of wrists. So you can see how the bracelet really tapers in these end links, and you don't get that with the old 1861 Speedy. So let me stop the chronograph and have it reset. Yeah, no scratches, no nothing. So yep, and honestly, if you're thinking about getting a Speedmaster, definitely get the traditional Hesalite version. It just really looks, the way the light distorts off that crystal, it's absolutely amazing. But yeah, that's just one more sticker to peel off, and I'll peel that off on camera. But yeah, so this is sort of just a quick unboxing, and yeah, I'm going to be wearing this for a couple days, and hopefully I'll come out with another review after I had some more time on the wrist. So stay tuned for that review, and I'll see you guys later.